Bridge police have just finished the traffic stop, so they're moving off. Haven't been here in 2 weeks, so this is exciting again. Speed goes, and away we go. Bridge speed is 50. So the approach ramp is there. Really a nice approach ramp. And over here, look at that. Look at those bridge support. Love it. Still do not know what they're building out there, though. That's a mystery. So you can see the tug's working hard. This is probably a 7-day a week operation coming up. Plenty going on down there. It's like a meeting of the tugs. Up, down. I bet they're fighting the river current there. That's what's going on. Need one to push the barge and one to keep it in line. And over here, they're bringing in more supplies. And definitely low tide. Not low tide, but definitely not topping everything. It's just massive equipment. That's all I can say. And you can't even imagine the size. Everything's big. They're drilling there, going down. Yep, this is really good. Up ahead, you can see the Virginia shoreline. Looks like they're not working on this one today. And here we are, Virginia. You and whoever in front of them all the way up the bridge, as you can see. This is, you can see this, the Virginia approach is coming along. Still not sure, what they're doing. When we came down Friday, they weren't working here, but I can see, yes, they put some more in here the other day. So you can see that's where the bridge is going to start. And up here, more structure. Yep. Barges all the way up Potomac up there and down there. Here we have major work going on. This is so exciting. Just cannot believe how nice this is. bad weather, this can be one scary bridge. Lots of stuff. Fishermen out there in the middle of all that for some reason. See, there's more mooring balls out, so they probably are going to have more. Well, they have to bring the deck material. They'll probably bring it in by barge and then hoist it up with the cranes, put it in place that way. It's Sunday, it doesn't look like too many are working. Previous Sundays they were positioning barges and cranes and things, but they're not doing that now. We have traffic here. Heavy traffic. People are on the move again. See, I still haven't figured out what they're doing there. That's interesting. Unless they're building some kind of causeway into the marina. You can see so much action. Yard full of gear and equipment. Sand, the dirt being built up for the approach to the bridge. Lots of activity here. It's really nice. Much over here too. And that power plant is going to be converted to natural gas in a couple years.